How to turn on profile views on TikTok. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on profile views on TikTok, so you can see who's been checking out your profile, and others can see when you visit theirs. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. At the top of your profile, you'll see a little footprint icon right next to the menu lines. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where you'll find the Profile Views feature. When you turn this on, you'll be able to see a list of people who viewed your profile within the last 30 days. But remember, it works both ways. If you view someone's profile, they'll also see that you visited. To enable it, just tap the Turn On button. From now on, your profile visits will be visible, and you'll get to see who's been visiting you too. If you ever change your mind, just tap the gear icon at the top, then switch the setting off. It's that simple. And that's it. Now you know how to turn TikTok profile views on and off anytime you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.